Yeah.
Welcome back to Peak Speed Lab 164. I'm Strick, and we're here showing a bit more about the how mass and gravity, or is it gravity and mass, either way, um, when gravity and mass meets friction and the ramp decides the results. Okay, that introduction. I don't know why I'm not comfortable with that yet. This is like car number 8 that we're working on. I'm still struggling with that opening line, but that's okay. I try to keep it all as real as possible. Okay, so now we're in car 5 of the Japan Historics, and I had mentioned the Honda. This is the '88 Honda CRX. That is what we're going to be unboxing today. Then we're going to be measuring and doing the 20 um, warm up laps as we always do. And then we'll do the 10 test runs, or not test runs, I guess they're test runs, and then take the average of that. And then, as usual, we'll use the same track geometry. We've got the short drag strip, and then we'll do the room humidity, track temp, and then room temp as well. So we'll be tracking along with a bunch of other metrics that I've talked about in previous videos. So without further ado, I will take this out. We'll do the unboxing next. But before I mention that, I think we might have enough cars. I was going to wait until we have like a top 10, but there seemed that we might have enough cars in a particular weight class that I will be able to maybe do a round robin kind of racing situation today. So we'll see how this, after this car, see how it performs. And then we'll take a look and see if we can put something together for the racing thing and do a little bit of a break for the next video from like the measurements and doing the test runs as we're continuing to build this database. So again, I hope you'll join me trying to continue to build this. I know it's slow going in the beginning, but if you're interested in metrics, performance, kind of seeing if sometimes in some cases if the cars you're buying are worth the money, depending on what's important to you, that could help as well. But let's in the meantime, let's keep this rolling. Okay, unboxing time. Here we have the '88 CRX. Time for a little unboxing. Now, the funny thing is, I've seemed to be getting a little more comfortable with these blister packs. Of course, now I'm going to say that, and then I'm going to, well, oh, there we go. All right, I did it okay. We're going to pop this out. I've actually known people who've owned this car in this year, I might add, back in the day. But again, this is the '88 Honda CRX. Let me get that in frame. Do a little bit of a look here. Oops, got to see if we can see what we got here. This one's also made in Thailand, so this is 5 of the Real Riders Japan Historics 5 set. They might have come out with a part 2, but this didn't say if this was like the first one in the series, but I think I saw a second series. But anyway, in this particular set, again, this is 5 of 5. This one feels, like it might be at the lighter end of the D class. I'm starting to get a feel for these cars. I don't know how fast it's really going to be, but we'll let the track decide. But again, we've got gravity and mass meeting friction, which is everything that's rubbing. We got track, we got axles, etc. Got air. Okay, we'll be back to the track here in a sec, but I want to make sure you get a good look at that and enjoy. Okay, we got the first warm up for car number 8. This is the Real Riders Honda CRX, the 1988. And this is the first 20. We're going to do the usual. See how she does. .81. So when I picked her up, I thought she was a little bit lighter, but she's in the next weight. She's in the E weight class, so she's in the next heavyweight class up from the majority of the cars that we've raised so far. So that's why I got to measure. You know, can't leave it to just, hey, this is what I think it is. So we know for sure. All right, we'll be back after the 20. Just finished the 20 laps. This car ran really consistently, with the exception of a very fast score comparatively to itself, and a slow score. But for the most part, it ran right around that 1.9 second lap for the 20 warm ups. I don't know. Thought that was kind of interesting. So here we go with the official 10. This is the first one of the 10 test laps. See how she does. Yeah, 1.90. Okay, we'll see on the flip. Okay, here we are. Test run number 10. See how she fares. Like going down a ski slope. Just finished the test, the 10 runs. Why don't we say we plug these into the computer? We'll figure out where we're at. But again, very consistent run with this this particular model. Still not necessarily the fastest in the group so far. This is number 8, but pretty consistent runs, and we'll see where she goes. But more importantly, you got to check out the pants. The pants. I'm going upside down. Oh, you can't because I'm okay. Well, we'll do the pants in a minute. All right, gotta give it up for some Hot Wheels lounge pajama pants. You're welcome.